Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix blue screen error code 0x00007f in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. If you are facing this error, I will show you how to fix this error. First of all, open your control panel. Then click on System and Security. Then click on System. In this, click on Advanced System Setting. Then select here Advanced. Click on Startup and Recovery Setting. In this, you select Small Memory Dump. Then click on OK. After clicking OK, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix blue screen error code 0x00007f in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.